Hey guys, welcome again in this tutorial video. So in the last video we saw that how we can pass a parameter or argument inside a method, and in this video we will see that how we can overload a method. So for those who don't know me or new here, hey guys, I'm Ujjwal and I make Java tutorial just like this. So if you're interested in those stuff, then please consider subscribing. Now I hope you are doing great and ready to learn. So let's take this video. So guys, what is this overloading, or what is overloading in methods? So guys, in Java we say it is a good practice to overload a method instead of creating two different methods. In other words, it is a concept where multiple methods can have the same name with different parameters. Which means in the concept of overloading, we can have multiple methods, we can create as many methods as we want, but the name of the method should be the same and parameter can be the different. So this is the concept of overloading. So guys, here we have this mini program which will help us to understand the concept of method overloading. So guys, you can see here I have made a class here to demonstrate that. The class name is Java method 3, and here I have made two methods. The name of my first method is plus method int, and the name of my second method is plus method double. So in Java, instead of making two different methods which will do the same thing, which is addition, we can make just one method and we can overload the other method. Let me minimize this and let me show you. Look here, I have made just one method here. The method name is plus method, and I've just overloaded this method. As we already discussed, that to overload a method we just need to pass different parameters. So here I have made one method that says plus method, but by passing different values, by passing different parameters like int x, int y, and in this one I have passed double x and double y. So this is how we can overload a method, just by passing different parameters. And here in the main function I'm just initializing the value for these x and y, and here I'm storing these values, I'm storing these addition in my num1 and my num2, and here at the last I'm just calling this, I'm saying ki print my num1 and my num2. So this is how it all gonna work. So let's go ahead and run this program to see the output. So here we have the output, guys. You can see it says int 25 and then double 26, because this is what value we passed and we asked to add. So you can see this is how we just overload a method instead of creating two different methods, which is a very easy in Java.